Now this right here is what I call the trench. We've actually got a sign that we're gonna put up down here. It's called the trench. It's just because this right here is a lot worse than it looks like. Down here, this isn't so bad. This right here, this stuff, it's not that bad. I mean, you'll easily get through it. It's just, these tires, they dig a little bit. So. We'll save the trench for last because that is some bad stuff right there. Let's see what we got down through here. Yeah, that stuff right there is easy to get stuck in too. Figure through in second gear. That is straight up quicksand pretty much. Hopefully we won't have to go get the 300 today. I hope not, because I don't feel like getting it out. Take it right through the middle. That stuff right there will just collapse. All right, well, let's see. We'll take it through right there, just see how it's gonna be. Well, last I remember, that was pretty deep, or maybe not deep, but just you bottom out is the thing. That's the thing about all this mud. It's not so much that you'll get stuck, it's just you bottom out. All right, through that, no problem. These 27s a lot better than the stock 25s. This right here before long is probably gonna be a mud hole. All right, we're gonna hit this little hole right here and hope to God we don't sink. Woo! I've never went through that with the new tires, so that used to be some really, really bad stuff. If we can go through in first gear, sort of a slow speed. Yep, we're just gonna mar ourselves up. Put her in 4. One thing about these tires I don't like, they don't really clean out that great. I mean, they do all right, but it's definitely nothing comparable to like an Outlaw or anything. Oh, I guess it cleaned out all right. All right, I think we'll go backwards through the little hole we just hit. I call it the bounty hole because I never could get through it. I know it don't look like much, but I had a little 2-wheel drive 300 that has some Zillas on the back that I never could get through it with. Even got stuck on this thing with the stocks, but let's see if we can get through it going this way. Here, digging ourselves a grave here. Yeah, look at all that. This is what I'm talking about right here. Look at that. See, it's just like you got to get up out of that. It's just like a little trench down in there. All right, let's get up out of all this. These tires, they love the mud. Four-wheeler loves the mud now. All right, so probably best just to back out. Oh, probably gotta put her in 4. We'll just sideways right here. I've never been through this with a 27, so. Oh shit. Already stuck. Imagine that. Got kind of stuck right there, just in 4-wheel, or in 2-wheel rather. I've never made it through this mess in 2-wheel drive, but let's try. No, we're just digging a hole on the right side here. Honestly, I feel like this would be better to get in third person. I'm gonna back out of this and I'll try to get another shot of me going through this with a tripod. I don't want to use diff lock. Let me get some more third person shots for you guys. Something I really wanted to do for a while, just never really could. Well, that's the aftermath. I hope my camera didn't miss any of that, but I bet it did. That hole, I'm bottomed out, is what it is. We're going to go get the 300 to get it out. Worked with it for a minute, but this no avail. They're slick on the front. It don't look that bad, but it's just I got bottomed out. I knew it was a bad hole, but whatever. So I'm gonna go get the 300 out and pull the foreman out. I had a feeling that was gonna happen, but yeah, so I'll be back in a second. Big Red to the rescue, I guess. Oh God, or maybe Little Red. It's only 300. So obviously the 300 wasn't working, so we have my uncle coming to get me, or coming to get me out in his Pioneer 1000. So if that don't pull it out, I'm gonna be genuinely worried. Go ahead and give you guys a closer look at this. I knew it was a bad hole, but I've never got stuck this bad ever. It's just all over that. So yeah, there's a reason I called this the bounty hole. It doesn't look bad, but once you really get in it and you get to spinning, it just eats you up. Well, here's the aftermath of it. Look at that. That is, yeah, I'm good. Thanks a lot. Take a look at that. That was all under. Yeah. Do another little walk around of it. That was probably the worst I've ever been stuck. Actually, I know it for a fact it was the worst I've ever been stuck. Alright, well, see, the biggest problem was I got bottomed out with my rear axle. It was right there, and just not really much I could do, so I had my uncle bring his 1000 Pioneer over, because that's about the only thing that I could use to pull it out. Probably not going to be going through this anytime soon, because this is just horrible, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been an interesting one for sure. But thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll leave my Instagram, put my Instagram up on the screen. Go check me out on Instagram. I'm always posting four-wheelers, dirt bikes, all kinds of stuff like that. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys later.